that you have.
Okay, Karthik. So do you know Kumbh Mela is going on in Prayagraj?
Yes, I know Kumbh Mela is going on in Prayagraj.
And you are also having very inspiration and earnest dream for becoming an actor.
Yes, I have.
So there we found a girl, Mona Lisa. Do you know?
Yes, I know.
So she is also has been called by the Salman Khan for the acting with him.
Why?
So I am saying that you must go to the Kumbh Mela. You must contact with the Mona Lisa for going with her for acting with Salman Khan.
I am contacting with Anjali Meena. That is enough for me nowadays for becoming actor because she has shown all the shades of her.
Okay, so I would like to recite some of the things that मन ही मन को जानता है, मन की मन से प्रीत, मन ही मन को जानता है, मन की मन से प्रीत, मन ही मनमानी करे, मन ही मन का मीत, मन ही मनमानी करे, मन का मन ही मीत, मन झूमे मन बावरा, मन ही अद्भुत रीत, मन झूमे मन बावरा, मन अद्भुत रीत, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत.
What the beautiful lines, Anjali Didi. Again and again you are speaking and taking the attention with everyone. But I think we should call to another participant.
Okay, so it's time to call a girl. According to me, it's both one favorite. So before calling her, I would like to recite some of the lines. We use for enjoying. We use Facebook and Insta. For enjoying, we use Facebook and Insta. For glowing, we eat almonds and pista. For glowing, we eat almond and pista. It's time to call our smiling girl. Miss R, one of the most beautiful and smiling girl, Miss Muskan Gupta.
Beauty is the art of life. Love is the part of life. But the most important thing, staying together with the RK Scrappers Academy in this one and only beautiful RK Scrappers Academy. So firstly, I greet a very warm and pleasant good evening to respected sir, honorable ma'am, all the judges and all the honorable guests. So once again, this is Muskan Gupta standing in front of you all, daughter of Mr. Dharmendra Gupta and Mrs. Pushpa Gupta. I like chocolate is like smoking person. I studied in class 12th. My other person is Mahatma Gandhi. I am proud of India because I am Indian. Next, today I am here for sharing my journey with you all. So my journey started in a very glorious day, means 2017, and at that time I used to study in class 4th, and after this sometimes I come in the RK Scrappers Academy. So at that time what happened, that I kept my copy on the table, and after ma'am checked my copy and she gave me some names to write, and after this sometime what happened, I completed my all the 10th in 2 months, and after I get the 12th, and after I get the 12th,
And we can say, and we can give him one nickname that he is the Shire of RK Scrappers Academy. So do you want to listen the Shire of RK Scrappers Academy? Yes or no? Do you want to listen? Do you want to listen? Do you want to listen? Okay, so now the Shire of RK Scrappers Academy is about to come, and now I would like to call the great Sheikh Arif Ali Bhaiya. So please come on the stage, Bhaiya, and perform your song as well as shairis. Put a great round of applause for Sheikh Arif Bhaiya.
Respected sir, ma'am, judges, senior, and all parents, and all dear my friend, my name is Sheikh Arif. I am presenting sing a song. क्या पूछता है मुल्क में किसका गुजारा है, बता क्या पूछता है मुल्क में किसका गुजारा है, मेरी नजरों में देखो मुल्क का दिलकश नजारा है, मेरे हाथों की रेखाओं में हिंदे नक्श सारा है, लहू के आखिरी कतरे ने हिंदुस्तान पुकारा है, मेरा दिल है मेरी जान है मेरी आंखों का तारा है, ये हिंदुस्तान ये हिंदुस्तान ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, ये हिंदुस्तान ये हिंदुस्तान ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हमारे मुल्क में हिंदू मुसलमान साथ रहते हैं, यहाँ ईसाई के कांधों पे सिख के हाथ रहते हैं। हमारे मुल्क में हिंदू मुसलमान साथ रहते हैं, यहाँ ईसाई के कांधों पे सिख के हाथ रहते हैं। हमारी सरहदों पे नौजवान दिन रात रहते हैं, वहाँ उसकी हिफाजत के लिए तैयार रहते हैं। मिटा देते हैं खुद को हिंद, हमको जान से प्यारा है ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। तिरंगे की बुलंदी को झुका सकता नहीं कोई, अमान अल्लाह हमें दुश्मन मिटा सकता नहीं कोई। तिरंगे की बुलंदी को झुका सकता नहीं कोई, अमान अल्लाह हमें दुश्मन मिटा सकता नहीं कोई। जहाँ पे पाँव रख दे हम हटा सकता नहीं कोई, हमारे आगे सर अपना उठा सकता नहीं कोई। हजारों दुश्मनों का दुश्मनी ने सर उतारा है। ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। बहुत बेदर्दी से करते हुए कुछ शायरी आप लोगों के पेश कौमी एकता के लिए पेश करने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि जो दिल के खूबसूरत हैं खुदा ने ऐसे लोग बहुत कम बनाए हैं। जो दिल के खूबसूरत हैं खुदा ने ऐसे लोग बहुत कम बनाए हैं, पर जिन्हें भी बनाए हैं वो आज हमारी महफिल द आरके स्क्रैपर्स अकेडमी में आए हैं। वो आज हमारी महफिल द आरके स्क्रैपर्स अकेडमी में आए हैं कि राम रहीम सब एक हैं, राम रहीम सब एक हैं, सभी का ढंग नेक है। बदन का रंग कुछ भी हो लहू का रंग एक है, बदन का रंग कुछ भी हो लहू का रंग एक है। और ये शेर मैं हिंदुस्तान के लिए अपने रब की बारगाह में दुआ की इल्तिजा करते हुए पढ़ना चाहता हूँ कि पत्थर को चट्टान बना दे अल्लाह, पत्थर को चट्टान बना दे अल्लाह, वैसी है इंसान बना दे अल्लाह। हिंदू मुस्लिम एक ही थाली में खाएं, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान बना दे अल्लाह। ऐसमें प्रेम की गंगा बहने दो, बहती है इस देश में प्रेम की गंगा बहने दो। क्यों करते हो देश में दंगा रहने दो, इन लाल हरे रंगों में हमको मत बांटो, इन लाल हरे रंगों में हमको मत बांटो। पच्छत के ऊपर एक तिरंगा रहने दो, पच्छत के ऊपर एक तिरंगा रहने दो। कि हवेली झोपड़ी सबका मुकद्दर फूट जाएगा, हवेली झोपड़ी सबका मुकद्दर फूट जाएगा, अगर ये साथ हिंदू मुसलमानों का छूट जाएगा। हवेली झोपड़ी सबका मुकद्दर फूट जाएगा, अगर ये साथ हिंदू मुसलमानों का छूट जाएगा। खुदाए पाक का घर हो वह हो फिर राम का मंदिर, इमारत कोई भी टूटी तो भारत टूट जाएगा, इमारत कोई भी टूटी तो भारत टूट जाएगा। लेकिन मैं इस शेर को ऐसा पढ़ना चाहता हूँ कि हवेली झोपड़ी सबका मुकद्दर कैसे फूटेगा, हवेली झोपड़ी सबका मुकद्दर दामाने सराफत कैसे छूटेगा। न कोई मस्जिद टूटेगी न कोई मंदिर टूटेगा, रहे हमारी एकता कायम तो भारत कैसे टूटेगा, रहे हमारी एकता कायम तो भारत कैसे टूटेगा। और इससे अच्छा मुझे मौका कभी नहीं मिल सकता। उनका जो काम है वो अहले सियासत जाने, मेरा पैगाम मोहब्बत है जहाँ तक फैले। उनका जो काम है वो अहले सियासत जाने, मेरा पैगाम मोहब्बत है जहाँ तक फैले। मोहब्बत से ही सिक्का चलता है सारे जमाने में, ये नफरत रख के तुम दिल में सुकून से जी नहीं सकते। मोहब्बत से महक आती है दिल के आशियाने से, सभी अहले वतन सुन ले, चाहे सिख हो वो हिंदू हो या मुस्लिम, जरा गीता को पढ़ लो, तर्जुमा कुरान का कर लो, फिर बतलाओ मुझे किस धर्म ने सिखलाई है नफरत। कहा किसने कि तुम दो से धरती लाल तुम कर लो, कभी क्या राम जी ने बेकसों पे जुल्म डाला था, कभी क्या राम जी ने बेकसों पे जुल्म डाला था, कभी क्या गुरु गोविंद जी ने क्या निहत्तों को कभी मारा, सबब इस दम गुरु नानक ने क्या नफरत का क्या सिखाया था। मुसलमानों से भी मैं पूछता हूँ, तुम भी बतला दो, क्या मर्तबा इस्लाम का दुनिया को बतला दो, हदीसे मुस्तफ़ा क्या है जरा तुम मुझको समझा दो, क्या सहाबा ने कभी क्या जुल्म डाला था मुझको बतला दो। जब किसी मजहब ने जुल्म करना ही न सिखलाया, जब किसी मजहब ने जुल्म करना ही न सिखलाया, फिर आपस में क्यों लड़ते हो इतना कहो भाई। और जब तुम राम वाले और ये मोहम्मद मुस्तफा वाले, तो फिर भारत में रावण और भूचैल की फितरत तुम में क्यों आई। जब तुम राम वाले और ये मोहम्मद मुस्तफा वाले, तो फिर भारत में रावण और भूचैल की फितरत तुम में क्यों आई। मैं तुमसे ये नहीं कहता कि तुम लड़ने से डर जाओ, खास कर नौजवान, मैं तुमसे ये नहीं कहता कि तुम लड़ने से डर जाओ, लड़ाई के लिए मिलजुल कर हम सरहद पे यूं जाएं, अली की तरह हम दिखलाएंगे तलवार के जौहर, फकत एक दूसरे के तुम आपस में भाई बन जाओ। है आसिफ, मैं तुम्हें सबको इतना समझाऊं, सबने कुर्बानी दी इस वतन के लिए, सबने कुर्बानी दी इस वतन के लिए। जाते जाते बस इतना कहूंगा, ऐ मेरे मुल्क जब तक जीऊं तो जुबा पे तेरा नाम हो, मरूं तो बदन पे मेरे कफन हो। जय हिंद।
And now, Anjali Didi, I think that little star, you should know who you are. You should know who you are. And once you know who you are, then mental hospital is not so far. So these are the lines dedicated to Anjali Didi and all.
All RKS campus can be. So firstly, let me wish a happy Republic Day to you all. Now it's time for me to introduce myself. So firstly, let me tell you that I would like to greet a very marvelous student to you all. And now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Aditya Gupta, Mr. Ramesh Vishal Gupta, and my mother name is Arun Kumar Gupta. I did in 9th in Sapphire School, Gigi Katni, and I'm playing ice like a smoky person. I want to become a doctor in the future. My ideal person is Mahatma Gandhi. I live behind Gupta Computer Institute, Roshan Katni. I'm proud of India because I'm Indian. So friends, today I'm here to basically share my experience, as my sister used to come to the coaching. So as a result, I knew that what to do. So I kept my copy on the table, and then sir called to me, and then he told to me that write the ABCD, and gradually I got a promotion to the ABCD to the how to write the words. And then I got the promotion in the verbs and the pronunciation. And after that what just happened that I left the coaching because I thought that what should I do, because on that time I used to think that there is nothing of the mean.
सानू कहंदी ओ सानू कहंदी तू लैंदे चांजल नहीं ते मर जाना, सानू कहंदी तू लैंदे चूड़ी नहीं ते मर जाना, सानू कहंदी तू लैंदे चूड़ी नहीं ते मर जाना। ओए होए हाय मर जाना। सानू कहंदी ओ सानू कहंदी तू लैंदे चांजल नहीं ते मर जाना, सानू कहंदी तू लैंदे चूड़ी नहीं ते मर जाना, सानू कहंदी तू लैंदे चांजल नहीं ते मर जाना, सानू कहंदी तू लैंदे चूड़ी नहीं ते मर जाना।
Who has a lot of power, and I think that you should recite some of the lines for him.
Okay. According to me, he is the also point of the Arcus Campus Academy. So, humbleness, compassionate are the signs of any gentleman. Humbleness, compassionate are the signs of every gentleman. Mathematics subject is the fan of that man. Mathematics subject is the fan of that man. And now it's time to make an entry of Mohammad Rehan.
Important, but the even more important is the will to prepare. So by these lines, once again, good evening to everyone. So thank you for the response. This is again Mohammad Rehan standing in front of you, son of Mr. Rasulullah and Mr. Afsana Begum, studying class 10B. I want to become a game developer. Madhusura Pandey, my hobby is gaming. I like mango. I dislike pumpkin. I'm proud of him because I'm Indian. So next, again I'm here for actually telling the journey of the Arcus Campus Academy of myself. So actually the journey start on a very glorious day of the 3 May 2023. But before starting the journey, I would like to say some of the lines, and also I would like to tell the background of my journey. So actually before the one day, means the 2 May 2023, the actual journey started. Actually in that day, my father said to me that actually from the tomorrow you have to go to the Arcus Campus Academy. Then suddenly a question arises in my mind that actually why actually I have to go to the Arcus Campus Academy. So actually my father said to me that actually this is a very great time of the summer vacation where you can actually improve a lot of mistake of your grammatical, and also you can improve your spoken English. So slowly, gradually, actually I was doing the hard work, and also I was completing the syllabus slowly. But actually, as I've already we can say done some of the mistakes in my school, so I have to actually improve that thing, and in that timing I was improving that thing. But actually the main thing starts on the day of the 12th December 2023. So in that day actually I got the 156 sentences, and in that day actually I got a competitor, and that was the Mayank Gautam Bhaiya. And actually one thing which I want to tell you that actually if you are alone in the race, so that's not matter, because when you are alone in the race, so there is no fun for you and there is no desire to win. But when you have a competitor, or when you have a desire to win that race, so that's become very nice thing for you. So actually because of the competitor, actually I have completed the 156 sentences in the approximately 2 months, and that was a great thing, because actually before the Mayank Gautam Bhaiya I got the 156 sentences. So we can say I completed the 156 sentences, and now in this journey, or we can say in the journey of 156 sentences, actually I got my first prize on the day of 13 January 2024, and that was a very fantastic day for me, because that was my first achievement which I have got from this academy. And after that, the confidence level of myself actually was in the peak level, and after the 3 months actually I got my judges post on the day of 6 April 2024. And the one thing which I want to tell you that actually in the month of the April there is my birthday, and that was a very gift, we can say a very big gift for me, that actually I got the judges post. And now actually the day which have come to see that who is we can say about to become the best of the year 2024. And actually in this journey I have learned so many things, and the one thing which I want to tell you, that's all about the patience. So the one thing actually must be told by me actually, that in this era, in this journey, or we can say in this timing, actually most of the people have the courage but they don't have the discipline. And if a person have the discipline, so that person don't have the determination. And if a special person have all the things, so that person don't have the patience. So that person must be have a patience, because as in my journey actually I have to keep patient for becoming a judge, and also for getting the judges post and a host post. And in the last I just want to tell you, for those actually some of the people and some of the parents, and also some of my we can say colleagues, and also some of my classmates actually left the coaching for the 10th class and also for the board classes. So the one thing which must be told by me that's all about actually when actually I joined the academy. So in that time I was thinking that actually I have to go to the academy, and also I have to spend one hour. And then actually the one thing actually must be actually told by that actually most of the we can say by the experience, that actually the 1 hour which I have expended in this academy in the whole the year, and also in all the day, that was a beneficial for me, because whenever we can say Friday came, in that time I have to prepare something for presenting. And whenever you have the chance to present something, whenever you have to explain something to others, so in that time you make that topic very clear. So one thing actually what the whole summary which I want to tell you that all about, actually that 1 hour is very precious for you, and those who are thinking that 1 hour is just a wastage. So that is not a wastage. So now it's time to me to sum up my speech, having stated that actually the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. So by these lines,
But have you remembered that once we watched the result of two students, means one of them was Chintu. Have you remembered?
Yes, Bhaiya, I remembered.
Okay, why not to act like them now? So I will become the teacher, means his friend, and I, Chintu. Hello, Chintu.
Hello.
I listened that you failed in English.
Who told you? I saw my result yesterday and I had passed away. Don't have any common sense?
Okay, you had passed away. Okay. That's okay.
Okay, bye-bye. God bless you.
Okay, Sunset, who is about to come?
Yes.
Yes, Bhaiya, you are right. So now, it is the time for us to request with one and only Priyansh Reddas. So please come on the stage, Priyansh.
Machine check. Check.
Power in his words, who can make you attract in seconds, who can blast on the stage, and for blasting again on the
will be happier, forgive everything, you will be happier, and love everything, you will be happiest. So by these lines, once again, you all are welcome by me into the great evening of the RK Scrappers Academy. Firstly, a very beautiful good evening, sir, ma'am, and good evening to all of you. So thank you for replying. Myself, Mridul Kumar, secondary school. I like Mango district banana. I want to be a judge in the future, proud of India because I am Indian. So today I have carried a very fantastic thing that today I want to give a small message to all of the parents. So firstly, I would like to tell you that if your children is coming in this RK Scrappers Academy, so you are the luckiest parents as well as also you are the luckiest child if you are coming in the RK Scrappers Academy. And I would like to tell you that some parents just think that if my child is taking the time, means some parents just think that we are speaking Hindi from our birth, so it is very difficult for us to speak Hindi, to speak English in a less time. So I would like to tell you that it will take time. And what happened is some parents also think that if my parents will go RK Scrappers Academy for 1 hour, so on that time its percentages will decrease. So according to me, this is totally wrong because this 1 hour give us thousands of the memories as well as also thousands of the success in our future. And I would like to share my own experience. What happened that before joining the RK Scrappers Academy, whenever I used to go in any relative's house, so on that time I never used to talk with anyone. Means on that time I used to be very silent. But after joining the RK Scrappers Academy, I increased my confidence as well as also now I can talk in English as well as also whenever I meet with any relative, so they just said to me that you have totally changed, and this kind of all thing happened by the reason of the RK Scrappers Academy. So at last I just want to say you that Small steps takes time. Similarly, 1 hour of Arcade Scrappers Academy will give you thousands of the memories in your future. So this was all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
Well, that so many of the times, even after a very long time, parents start stopping a student for coming here. So I have only one song for you that I would like to recite only 2 lines in Hindi. That for Arcade Scrappers Academy, that ये दिल तुम बिन कहीं लगता नहीं हम क्या करें. So it happens with all of us that our heart does not go anywhere besides Arcade Scrappers Academy. So it's that secret of us that why don't we want to go away from Arcade Scrappers Academy.
Okay, Karthik, as you spoke about the Arcade Scrappers Academy, so I will speak after some of the performance. So it is being requested with group dance of the evening group dance, which is choreographed by the Karthik Vishwakarma as the best student of the year. So I would like to call some of the team members of the evening group dance: Diligent Girl Megha Kumari, and the twinkling girl Naisha Shukla, and as cute as fairy Miss Riya Kumari 1, our smiling girl Miss Muskan Prajapati, and our Miss, she is also Anjali but not Anjali Meena, she is Anjali Yadav, and my news reporter Priyanka Raj, and the Arlander Vishwakarma Miss Parul Vishwakarma, and she is also, can be said, the actor and the Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum of that is Shreya Gupta. And now I would like to call my favorite girl Muskan Gupta with all of the team members. So please welcome them.
Thank you so much.
So, according to me, it's time to invite another member of the judiciary team.
Yes, Anjali Didi, I think another member should be called.
Is known as Sale, and it's time to make an entry of another member of the judiciary team who's named as Amit Kumar Patel. So by these lines, we both would like to call up.
Welcome by me to the RKS Campus Academy. Before starting something, I just want to share one thing, that is freedom in our mind, faith in our words, and pride in our heart. The memories in our soul. Let's salute the nation on the occasion of Republic Day. So by these lines, we all are welcomed by me into the RKS Campus Academy. So first of all, a very elegant good evening, respected sir, ma'am, dear parents, and the dear seniors, and the all my dear friends who are presented here. Thanks for strong. First of all, myself, Antu Patel. My father name is Mr. Rajkumar Patel. My mother name is Lalibai Patel. I like banana. I dislike drinking. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to be a good speaker. I live at Irapagodia. I'm proud of Indian because I am Indian. Now today I just want to say something about the very fantastic thing that is ever tried, ever failed. Ever tried, ever failed. No matter, try again, fail better. So as I think that what is actually learned by the RKS Campus Academy and which kind of things, I just want to say one thing, which kind of things need to recognize yourself as which kind of the placement, which kind of the place has been got by the RKS Campus Academy by emphasizing myself as well as creating myself. As the previous time well know about, I couldn't be able to speak anything as need to recall, and now I cannot be, no, I am a very fantastic, I'm not very fantastic, just I want to calm as like an ocean, thirsty for a piece of,
And there, because now it's the time for the Harsh Burman. So please come on the stage and present your song with a full and interesting plus melodious voice.
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम हार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या की जान का दाने आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे कि जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंडे, आज जंग की घड़ी तुमको हार दो। आने बाने शाने आखी जाने का है दाने, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो।
Who is the senior of this session? As I have remembered that previous time I was the most senior judge of that session, and of this session the most senior judge is about to come. So take the deep breath.
Walk like a king, or walk like that. You don't care who is the king. Walk like a king or walk like that. You don't care who is the king. Now it's time to make a grand entry of Priyansh Kumar Singh. So now it's being requested.
वक्त के साथ या फिर वक्त बदलना सीखो, बदल जाओ वक्त के साथ या फिर वक्त बदलना सीखो, मजबूरियों को मत कोसो, हर हाल में चलना सीखो. And if your back is against the wall, the only path to walk towards. So by these wonderful lines, I would like to greet and I would like to welcome of you all into this marvelous evening of the RK Scrappers Academy. So now it is time for me to greet a very elegant good evening, respected sir, ma'am, all the anchors, all the judges, mentors, and best student of the year, all my parents, and all the friends who are present over here. Myself Priyansh Kumar stand in front of you all, sir of Mr. Kamlesh Kumar and Mrs. Risu Singh. So today it is a time for me to share some of the thoughts or to share some of the experience which I have gained from the RK Scrappers Academy. So firstly, I would like to tell you one line that if you are thinking that RK Scrappers Academy, anything who takes time, it will be greater, and anything who takes time, it will be most precious thing, because if you will take patience, if you will keep patience, so the fall, or we can say the fruit which will come, that will be always sweet. So now by these lines, I have to tell you some of the experience which I have gained from the RK Scrappers Academy. So first line I have to tell you that each step of RK Scrappers Academy has unique type or unique concept behind the knowledge or behind the any type of things. So firstly, I have to tell you that when you come in the RK Scrappers Academy, on that time, first thing that will be happen, and sir and ma'am will give you, that is ABCD, or we can say that in English alphabet. So remember one thing, that it is a time in which you revise every type of things, and it is a small steps by which you will start the greatest journey of your English learning. And now let's come towards the second step, in which you will learn how to course. Because firstly, remember one thing, that if you will leave any work at the middle, so what will happen? You will just lost. And one quote I would like to tell you, that half knowledge is like a poison. If you will contain it, so at the end you will just die. So at the last, I only want to tell you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
That why you are the most senior judge of this session. And now I would like to request with a girl, but I would like to tell you that I have a very special connection with her, because with her and her sister I used to sit when I was not a senior. Then I became senior. At that time also I used to sit with her. But then I became the judge. At that time also I used to sit with her. And until I was in 6 to 7, I used to sit with her. We can say that in my journey till the best student of the year, if someone was there with me without any complaint, without any regret, so she was her. And now I would like to call Prerna Bharti. So please come on the stage, Prerna.
मेहंदी हाथा मैं लगवाऊं, पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं, फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं, पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं, फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं, घूंघट काना साका ढूना कसर घालूंगी, बावन गज का दामन पैरों में टच चलूंगी. जाजी तेरी कलमियां लिखे गीत प्यारे होठों पे लाली आँखों काजल गालूंगी बावन गज का दामन पैरों में टक चलूंगी बावन गज का दामन पैरों में टक चलूंगी
You wanted to say something, that's why you stopped me. So you
Okay,
have
you
to
can
speak
say,
now.
okay.
No, Didi, I really want to listen your magical words again.
ओके सो अभी सूरज नहीं डूबा जरा सी शाम होने दो अभी सूरज नहीं डूबा जरा सी शाम होने दो मैं खुद लौट जाऊंगा मुझे नाकाम तो होने दो मैं खुद लौट जाऊंगा मुझे नाकाम तो होने दो क्यों ढूंढते हो बहाना मुझे बदनाम करने के क्यों ढूंढते हो मुझे बहाना मुझे बदनाम करने के मैं खुद लौट जाऊंगा मैं खुद बदनाम हो जाऊंगा जरा सा मेरा नाम तो होने दो
Again magical lines. From where are you finding, Anjali Didi? Give us the source also.
Yes, you are also having source.
Okay, no problem. So now we are going to request with another judge, and she will be the judge who will come here for the second time. And for her, only one line is essential as well as is compulsory because she has that thing. That is beauty with brain as well as down to earth. The most down to earth, the most simple, but the most beautiful and the most stunning judge of RK Scrappers Academy. Now I would like to call Saraswati Patel. So please come on the stage.
Earn me, money says earn me, beauty says love, only God says remember me. So having remembered the God, welcome to all into RK Campus Academy. So first of all, I would like to greet the good evening respected sir, ma'am, judges, president of the years, mentors and council members and all the parents, and good evening to everyone. It is time for me to introduce myself. My name is Saraswati Patel. I'm daughter of Mr. Krishmar Patel and Mrs. Kamlabhai Patel. I live at Tangi Kala in Katni. I study BSc third year from the Tilak College. I like new dishes and I dislike bitter gourd. I want to become IAS officer in my future. My ideal person is Sanrak Kumar. I'm proud of India because I'm Indian. So today I would like to also share my experience and my real. That is, a person never die by falling into a water. A person never die by falling into a water. A person die when he does not know how to swim. Similarly, circumstances never become a problem. Problem become when we don't know how to deal with the problem. So friends, so we all are aware that problem are part of our life because problem come in everyone's life, but sometimes we think that problem are an enemy and problems are friend. But it's depend on us that what we want to make. If you will think that problem is coming for teaching very wonderful lesson, and if you think that problem is like an opportunity, so I must take the benefit of that opportunity, so on that time you will not scare from the problem because problem always comes for teaching very wonderful lesson. And if you are about to ready for taking a lesson, so on that time problem is very good for everyone's life. So we must think that problem is not hurting to us, problem is making this strong to us. So we should always face the problem. And for explaining this thing, I want to recite a small story. That is, once upon a time there was a king. He was disabled, and one day he was roaming in a gallery, and he had a disabled, means that he had not one eye and one leg. So one day when he was roaming in a gallery, so he was watching the forefather. In this thing, he announced in his kingdom that who will make my painting, so I will give very big amount. And having listened this thing, all painters didn't participate in this thing, but there was one boy who participated and who won the very big amount because he found only the positive thing, not a negative. Because some person was thinking that king did not have a one eye and one leg, so how it is possible that I am able to make? But he was very small, although he participated and he won because he has a courage and he found the positive thing. So same things happen with us when problem is coming in our life. So we must think that we have to show our courage. We need not to scare, and if problem is coming, so on that time we should try to find a positive thought, not a negative. So in the last, I want to say that life is a full of the problem, but life is a permanent and problem is a temporary. So we should face the problem with the own happiness. So by these words to take my seat, thank you, have a nice day.
Has been uttered by the Saraswati Patel Didi. So Yes, Karthik.
Now I would like to recite are all about खुद से जीतने की जिद है, खुद से जीतने की जिद है, मुझे खुद को हराना है, खुद से जीतने की जिद है, मुझे खुद को हराना है, मैं भीड़ नहीं हूँ दुनिया की, मैं भीड़ नहीं हूँ दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर एक ज़माना है, मेरे अंदर एक ज़माना है. So with these beautiful lines I would like to request with Ashutosh Bharti. So please come on the stage, Ashutosh.
होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के लाइफ आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल ऑल इज वेल. मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा, कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा. तो होठ माँ सिटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल, अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल, अरे चाचू ऑल इज वेल, अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल.
कंफ्यूजन ही कंफ्यूजन है, सॉल्यूशन कुछ पता नहीं, सॉल्यूशन जो मिला तो सारा क्वेश्चन क्या था पता नहीं.
दिल जो तेरा बात बात पे घबराए, दिल पे रख के हाथ उसे तू फुसला ले, दिल इडियट है प्यार से उसको समझा ले. तो होठ माँ सिटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल, अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल, अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल, अरे चाचू ऑल इज वेल.
की पी गया दारू हम तो फिर भी मिटा नहीं, अगर बत्तियां राख हो गई गौर तो फिर भी दिखा नहीं.
बकरा क्या जाने उसकी जान का क्या होगा, सीखेगी या साला की माँ होगा, कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा. तो होठ माँ सिटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल, अरे मुर्गी ऑल इज वेल, अरे बकरे ऑल इज वेल, अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल. जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो तो कंट्रोल हो तो अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल, अरे भैया ऑल इज.
Sing in our coaching, Miss Ashutosh Kumar.
You have the list of celebrity and they all are here, I think that.
Yes, bhaiya, I'm having. So I want to say that mothers love their children a lot. Mothers loves their children a lot. But have you ever thought about the father? But how much does do they sacrifice in their life for making you? I would like to recite for all of the fathers one of the शायरी that कि जब तक झूरियों वाले हाथ मेरे सर पर है, मेरी हस्ती जिंदा है, मेरा रुबाब जिंदा है. जब तक वो झूरियों वाले हाथ मेरे सर पर है, मेरी हस्ती जिंदा है, मेरा रुबाब जिंदा है. कयामत भी आ जाए तो क्या बिगाड़ेगी मेरा, कयामत भी आ जाए तो क्या बिगाड़ेगी मेरा, अभी मेरा बाप जिंदा है.
Again, what the fabulous, amazing, stunning, marvelous lines you spoke, Anjali Di. And now, another judge is about to come, and as I had introduced you with her, that she is beauty with the brain, as well as we can say, if you will watch her, so she will be the most short-heighted, will the most cutest girl also. Means now I would like to call to the Megha Kumari. So put your hands together for Megha Kumari.
Friendship, one word can stop a fight, but some special teachers like our Mr. Neemchand Raidas sir and Mrs. Rashmi Raidas ma'am can change anybody's life. By these lines, once again I would like to welcome of you all to the one and only RK Scappers Academy. Firstly, I would like to greet a very warm and a very energetic good evening to Honorable Sir, Ma'am, best of the years, all the seniors and everyone presented over here. I am Megha Kumari, daughter of Mr. Rameshwar Bedi and Miss Nya Devi. I like sketching, dislike banana, want to become an advocate in my future. My idea is my doing that. I'm proud of India because I'm in. So as today I'm here to share my point of views on the few lines that if you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning, and if you say no, then it doesn't matter that everything has ended. It means that next opportunity. So as I also want to tell you something motivational from my journey, that I started my journey and I joined the RK Scappers Academy on 21st of the February 2021. Yes, you are listening right. I joined the academy in the year 2021, and almost I have completed 4 years in this academy. And I just want to tell you all that I wasted almost my time by thinking that no, I can't be a judge, and it is very difficult to be a judge, and I should leave the academy. But when I worked hard, when I started to come regularly, I realized that yes, it is possible. And I just want to tell you all that if first time you have failed, it means that you are having another opportunity, and end doesn't mean that everything has ended. It means that it's the beginning of a new journey. So I just want to tell you all that if just forget the past and just prepare for your future, because you are going to be the signing and the next generation of this in the country. And also I want to tell you all that you must not give up, because once if you give up, then it is going to be difficult to stand. So if you are doing hard work, just continue in it, because I know that we all are going to be successful in our life, and the success just need the struggle, the motivation, and just the regularity which you have to maintain. So at the last, I just want to tell you all that you can't go back and change the beginning. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. So
Also, and Megha, I want to say you only one thing, that you ate and left no crumbs. You gave your level best, you tried your best. So again, put a great round of applause for Megha Kumari.
Okay, Karthik. So we heard and we all know that, all RK Scappers Academy know that you are a very bright student, and whenever exam is going on, you never leaves any of the question. So there is challenge for you. Okay?
Okay.
You only have to fill हाँ या नहीं. Okay?
Okay.
So the first, okay, listen audience, the first question is here for the Karthik Vishwakarma. Blank, मैं इंसान नहीं बंदर हूँ. Okay, you have to say something.
नहीं.
नहीं मैं, okay, नहीं मैं इंसान नहीं बंदर हूँ. Okay, you are monkey.
You have carried all the questions against me.
Second question is here for you. Blank, मैं ही पागल हूँ.
Audience, would you like to give the answer? Yes or no?
Yes, मैं ही पागल हूँ. Say that, audience is also saying.
No.
Okay, third question is also here for you. Blank, मेरे दिमाग का कोई इलाज नहीं है.
No, and okay, reply me. You reply.
This is for you, na? I leave the question in the
You
exam.
scored 96 in
Oh,
the test
okay,
board.
who said?
Who said? Mark sheet said. We all know.
So last question, please fill it. Okay. Blank. मुझे पागल खाने जाना है.
Anjali Didi. Go.
Okay, Karthik bhaiya. Do you know who is
I
the?
felt. Did you not understand? I said Anjali Didi ko pagal khane jana.
Okay, Karthik. We will go both. I will make you there, and I will come from here.
Okay, Didi. Okay. I will send you.
Okay.
In Alwar.
Yes. So now, it's time to invite the girl after the judiciary performance, means after the Mega Kumari, who is the another Meena from the RK Scrappers Academy, and who is going.
कित चाली बन के कबूतरी मोटो ले लू फोटो लागे घनी तू सुतेरी मोटो ले लू फोटो लागे घनी तू सुतेरी आज नई हील से मंगाई बचैयो मेरे राम यो खड़ा देखेगा मेरी मोटो सूट पैर कहने आई बचैयो मेरे राम यो खड़ा देखेगा मेरे राम चंबो चाली बाची ताली मारेगी तू छोरे ने तेरे बिना फिका लागू आग लगा तू टोरे ने तेरे बिना फिका लागू आग लगा तू टोरे ने छोरा तेरे पे उड़ा देगा कमाई बचैयो मेरे राम यो खड़ा देखेगा मेरी मोटो सूट मेरे गले आई पीसा ले रहा यार तेरा मन्ने चाहिए प्यार तेरा शर्मा के तू आँख खिला दे बस जावे घर बार मेरा शर्मा के तू आँख खिला दे बस जावे घर बार मेरा इस छोरे की तू बन जा लुगाई बचैयो मेरे राम यो खड़ा देखेगा मेरी मोटो सूट पैर कहने आई बचैयो मेरे राम यो खड़ा देखेगा मेरी मोटो सूट पैर कहने आई बचैयो मेरे राम सासू राजी हो जा देख के जमाई बचैयो मेरे राम यो खड़ा देखेगा मेरी मोटो सूट पैर कहने आई बचैयो मेरे राम यो खड़ा देखेगा कित चाली बन के कबूतरी मोटो ले लू फोटो ला
तू और मुझे आप लिखते, खुद को तू और मुझे आप लिखते.
A great round of applause for Anjali Reddy. And now about to come, and she will blow your mind. It's my guarantee.
Time to call an amazing girl who is named as Aditi Patel. So please put a big round of applause for her.
And all my dear friends, so now it is time for me to present my introduction. My name is Aditi Patel. My father name is Mr. Pushpraj Patel. My mother name is Mrs. Rajkumar Patel. I like reading and writing. I dislike smoking and drinking. I want to be teacher. My future, my idol person is Mahatma Gandhi. So now today I am here for share some thoughts which thought has been carried by me. That is a very interesting topic. That means interesting topic. That means everything will be big and everything will be become attractive also. So now I want to give an example by the one story which has been happened by me for presenting the speech. What happened that one day sir told that what do you want to become in your life, so you have to take interview of that person. So that time I thought that I have to become the teacher, so I have to take interview of the principal ma'am. So after that I went to teacher and I began to talk with sir. So sir told that you have to go to professor, and after that I went to professor. So professor sir began to say that how can you take my interview because you are a student and I am a professor, you cannot take interview. So I thought that okay, I cannot take interview of sir according sir because sir is saying right, but I can take interview because according my sir, because my teacher Mr. Ramchandra Das sir explained me that whenever you will not stop by yourself, so no one can stop you. So after that I motivated from that word, and after that I again went to principal office. So I was that there was the principal ma'am of the girls college, that means she is the Chitra ma'am, and she was the very excited teacher and she was the very happiest teacher. And after that when I met with her, so she began to say that what happened children. So I told that ma'am I have a problem and I have to take interview, but I told that don't worry, you have to college, and after that I can be able to give interview. And after that she has given her interview with full happiness. So after that, having watched her, I excited too much that because she, whenever she is doing any kind of work, so she give full attention and she give full attraction to that work. So after that, I learned that if you will do small work with full happiness, with full excitement, so every work will be very big. So lastly, I want to share one thing, that whenever you will do any kind of work, so you must be happy, because a small work can become a big work. Because if you will think that we have to do very big work suddenly, so suddenly you cannot do very big work. You have to start from the small work. So now I want to share one line that sun, a good teacher like the rising sun that comes to fill the empty with the light of the education. So by this word, I want to take my sheet.
Particular word will be used for him because whenever he dances, so nobody can see here and there. And I am saying because I have seen it, and now you all will feel it. So now we would like to call Divya Vashnik. So please come on the stage.
Let go. किथे गई आए मेरे दिल दी शौरी. Oh my God, oh लगती होरी. मैनू ही ओ कर गई नौरी. पर किल करना उसकी हो. Madly searching for this fine shorty in my world and I'm
भुलैया बातें हैं भूल भुलैया, तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया, बातें हैं भूल भुलैया, तेरे सपनों की गलियों में you keep driving me so crazy. मैं तू रहती है, बेटा भी कहती है, I keep praying all day. दिल ये तेरा हो जाने देना मेरा, किंतु परंतु मैं न टाइम गवा. रहने दे सोच में ना पड़, मारा मुझ पे थोड़ा कर, मारा हूँ जब से तुझको है देखा. Making me so happy, shaking my body. तू है आवारा धड़कन, तू है रातों की तड़पन, तू है मेरी दिल जाना. Everything about you, baby, I like it. तेरी जुल्फों के नीचे मेरे ख्वाबों की जन्नत, तेरी बाहों में आके बेचैनी को मिलती राहत. My only wish is if I ever could make you mine. Everyone pray with me now. Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. Watching you.
where she at. I'm searching for this fine shorty, and it ain't like I've been getting naughty. I'm hoping you know